Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I cook my plantain or my plantain porridge. Here are my ingredients. This is the plantain I'll be using on my plantain, well diced. Here is my ugu leaf, my pepper, smoked fish, my nut cubes, salt to taste, palm oil, crayfish, and onion. Alright, I will start by putting in my plantain, pepper, my onion, my smoked fish, my crayfish, my salt, my non-cube, crush it inside, my palm oil, and water. You stir it. Alright, then cover to cook for 5 or 6 minutes. Okay guys, we're back. You can see that the plantain is well cooked now. It's soft. It's okay now. So it's now ready to put our ugu leaf. Our ugu leaf. Just cover it for just a minute. It's now time to stir. Stir it very well so that everything will mix well and become one. Guys, are you seeing it? Are you seeing my plantain? Are you seeing my plantain? My plantain is ready. Is the food not giving? Is it not giving? Wow. You're not fine too. Wow. Guys, come with your spoon. Our food is ready. Very, very ready. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. This is the food. This is what we have. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. I love you guys. Thank you.